All right. So, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. And what about you, ma'am?
I'm fine. I'm not that good. I'm having fever, but okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Today, do you have holiday from work?
No, no, because it is not a holiday here.
Okay. From work, you don't have holiday on Sundays. Also, you work.
Yes, yes. I feel want to do work in Sundays also.
Okay. Very hardworking person you are. All right. Okay. So, shall we move towards the topic, which is rainy season?
Rainy season.
Yeah, I think rainy season or teenage. Which one?
Okay, rainy season.
I think teenage you got, right? Teenage topic. Which one would you like to talk? Teenage or rainy season?
Teenage.
Teenage. Okay, teenage. Let's talk to teenage. Actually, I got confused because my next session is about rainy season, so I messed it up. All right. So tell me, when you hear the word teenage, what comes in your mind?
Yeah, teenage. I think is some age limit like 13 to 19, and because in this time their mind is very restless, and in this time they grow up. That's why they called in this time it's called teenage.
Hmm. So how was your teenage days? Was it exciting or boring?
Yeah, it was exciting because it's not only for me. I think it's all teenage age is exciting. Yeah.
Hmm. So why it is like you said that for everyone teenage days are exciting. Why do you think that teenage days are exciting for everyone? Why?
Yeah, because in this time means their mind is growing up. That's why uh, everything like they can catch everything in this time, and in this time means their mind wants to learn so many things, wants to do so many things. That's why it is exciting.
Yeah, and often in teenage people make mistakes. Did you hear that?
Yes.
Thunder, here it's raining. I am wondering that is it connected? My laptop is connected. Like, do we? I'm not
Okay.
sure doing it from my phone, so I'm thinking that thunder. Okay, okay. Anyways, yeah, you continue. All right. So, what do you think in teenage period? Does people make mistakes and all that, girls and boys?
Yeah, they mistake because in this age they don't know what is wrong and what is right. That's why always they do mistake. Yeah.
So at that point of time, when you were a teenager, did you understand that what is wrong, right or wrong for you, or you were also like that? You were confused soul.
I was also confused in that time because I didn't know what is wrong and what is right.
So what type of mistakes did you do in that those period? Any mischievous thing? Do you remember like you have done any kind of thing, or your father has scolded you, or your mother? Any kind of incident you want me? Do you want to share? Then you can.
Yeah, I have done so many things, and yeah, I remember one thing when I used to go high school in I think I used to study in 8, 9 or 10th. In this time, I used to go to watch movie in theater. I was going school, but I was going to watch movie in theater because
You used to
I'm
bunk school.
yes, yes.
Wow, that's so exciting, because I didn't get the opportunity to bunk school because there was no scenario to bunk school because our school was very strict and my
No,
father
no.
used to drop me.
Okay, because I was studying in a government school and it's not so strict. That's why it.
Yeah, government school like they have children have got freedom. But in private school, and mine was like very much like torturing because my father used to pick and drop me.
Okay.
So
Yes,
there
yes.
was no chance of bunking on anything, you know. Like in tuition, also my father used to drop me, and my mother like is very strict. So if you ask about my school days and all, then I can't say any kind of incident because my school days were totally pathetic. Study, tuition, no enjoyment.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
that's the reason I miss it a lot. Then yeah, bye. Anyways, you are lucky that you enjoyed and you got that opportunity. I'm jealous.
Okay. Yeah, because in that time I means I liked so much movie to watch movie. Yeah, that's why. And in that time I we had not TV or anything to in home to watch movie or like any. Yes, that's why.
Yes, because like me, I used to watch TV a lot, like serials and all those kind of reality shows, you know, Dance India Dance. I used to watch, but I didn't used to get much time because I like, when I used to return from school, then again I have to go to tuition, so I didn't get time. But now I don't watch TV. Do you watch TV now, or you
No,
don't
no,
watch?
no. I think nowadays,
Sorry,
if
suddenly.
it is any problem, then we can.
No, no, actually, I'm thinking the cable is connected. It can disconnect. I am just wondering that. Okay, let's continue. Let's see what happens. I got shocked suddenly. Okay.
Okay.
So, what is the weather like there? Like you are from Jharkhand,
Yes,
near.
yes.
So, it's
It
it
was,
also.
yeah, it was sunny, but now it is cloudy. I think it will rain after some time here
Hmm.
also.
Yeah, I like rain, you know, but the thing is sometimes the thunder is like it's not good because it disconnect, electricity can go, and it's not safe to. Otherwise, I like rain. Do you like?
I don't like rainy season because I'm from village, and in village side there are some in when rainy season comes, that time the road and all the place are dirty. That's why it's
Water
there's,
logging happens, yeah.
yeah,
Not
that's
only
why.
village in Kolkata also. But
Okay.
there's an advantage, you know, if rainfall is there, then crops can grow. It's good for farmers.
Yeah, yeah, it's good for farmers.
It is for every situation. Like summer also. Summer is also not good. I don't like summer at all. I like rainy. I like spring. Moderate temperature, not too cold, not too like
I
hot.
like very much winter season.
Yeah, yeah, winter I like. But winter, you know, I don't get feel like to wake up in the morning.
Okay.
Do you feel?
No, no. I get up every day 5 o'clock, and in winter also, winter season also.
Don't you
In
feel lazy?
no, no, because I go I go to morning work, and that's why after morning work I got fresh. That's why it it my
Hmm.
habit.
So do you take afternoon nap?
Afternoon, what is, I
Nap.
didn't get.
Afternoon nap. Like
No.
afternoon nap meaning sleeping in the afternoon for a short duration of time. It's known as afternoon nap. NAP.
Okay, no, no,
Still you are
no.
so energetic. So at what time do you sleep?
I sleep after 10 p.m.
So 10 p.m. Okay. So how is the baby? What is she doing?
Yeah, see, good.
She is doing? She's playing.
Yeah, now she is so small, and now she can't play.
Oh,
Actually,
how old is she? I forgot. 6 months.
not 6 months, only 1 month.
Oh, only 1 month. Yeah, so
Okay.
she can't play. All right. What I was about to say that yeah, teenage days. You know, we consider it to be a most sensitive age. In this time period, we often do suicide. We not often actually, mostly we do suicide and we get addicted to drugs, alcohol. So what do you think? Why is it so?
In that time, their mind is very restless, and that's why they can take easily anything. And if I talk about only alcohol and that type of things, then it is depend on some like a company means sangat. If they don't hang over with like that type of people, then they can't take alcohol or anything.
Hmm. Oh,
Yeah,
flashlight is on. Yeah. Okay. One feedback I want to give you, because
yeah,
or because B.
yes, B.
Because, okay, I want to give you one feedback. As I have mentioned yesterday,
Yeah,
that you speaking is good, but the thing is you have to work on your is communication skill. Okay, like for example, you have to communicate more and more. The way I'm talking to you, of course, it is easy for me because I am a tutor, so it's easy for me. But I'm not telling to be like to communicate the way I am doing, but still try to communicate more and more. You have little bit shyness and hesitate, like you
okay,
are. So you have to work on it. Like your speaking is quite good. I didn't find any grammatical mistake. But the thing is, you have to communicate more and more, because the more you communicate with people, like for example, the way I'm asking a question, if you also ask me some questions, the way like not with me or any other people, then this conversation becomes interesting also, and you would get a lot of things to talk. For example, the topic which we have got today is teenage. So if you ask more and more questions, then the topic would be stretched more, and you won't feel like it's 20 minutes conversation. You would feel like 1 hour have passed so quickly. So try to work on your communication skill.
okay,
All right. Okay.
okay,
All right. So bye, Vikas. Take care.
okay, okay. Bye. Thank you.